If you're a New York homeowner and you don't have STAR, you're gonna wanna watch this video. This is gonna save you some money. This is some free money credited back to you every year. In this video, I'll be going over what STAR is, the types of STAR, the eligibility requirements, and how to apply. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Stephen Hunt. I'm a licensed real estate salesperson in the capital region of New York with eXp Realty. On this channel, I'll be going over everything real estate as well as some tips in finance. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on the video. Now let's get into the STAR program. The abbreviation STAR stands for School Tax Relief Program. Now this program offers property tax relief for eligible homeowners in New York State. There are two types of STAR. There's Basic STAR and there's Enhanced STAR. You will get the STAR credit in the form of a check, and this check will be sent out by the tax department. They usually send out these checks by mail between the time that the school issues their tax bill and the time that the tax bills are due. Now we're going to go over the eligibility requirements for the Basic STAR and the Enhanced STAR. In order for you to qualify for Basic STAR, there is no age requirement. You must make under $500,000 a year, and the owner of the property must use it as their primary residence. So if you own multiple properties in New York State, the one that you primarily occupy will be the one that you get STAR on. You only get it on one. The eligibility requirements for Enhanced STAR are the owner must be 65 years or older. If there is a husband and a wife living there, and one of them is 65 and the other one is 62, let's say the 65-year-old passed away, as long as you're 62 years or older, you will still be qualified for the Enhanced STAR. If you're under 62, then unfortunately you won't be able to qualify for the Enhanced STAR. The income requirements for Enhanced STAR is $90,550. Now this is total income for all owners, whether they're a resident or non-resident, as well as the owner's spouse that currently resides at the property. Corporations, LLCs, and partnerships are not eligible for STAR unless it's a farm dwelling. Another very important part of the eligibility requirement is you must hit this like button right below this video and give a nice comment, and then you'll be able to get qualified for STAR right away. In order for you to apply for STAR, you're going to have to go to the website. It's tax.ny.gov/STAR. So you go there, you'll scroll down on the left column, you're going to see register for STAR. It's going to be a second link. You can also click on all these other links and learn a little bit more about STAR here. So once you click on that link, you're going to scroll down to register. Once you click register, you hit, they'll ask you to enter this number. There'll be a different number for you every time that's generated. Once you enter that number, you're going to register for STAR down here. They're going to ask you some information that I am going to go over with you right now so that you're prepared for when you're doing this. Here are a list of items that you're going to need to register for STAR. So it's right over here. Once you actually go to register for STAR, you scroll down before you hit register. You'll see before you register. They'll tell you all the information that you need right here. I will also be providing the link to register for STAR in the description below so that you can have that. Now we're going to go over some frequently asked questions. Question number 1. If you're a new homeowner, when would you qualify for STAR? You would qualify for STAR if you apply for STAR before the tax bill due date, the school tax bill due date. If you applied after the tax bill due date, then you may not qualify until the next year. Question number 2. If you're a homeowner and you sold your home, you had STAR on it, and you bought your new home, will STAR automatically go over? The answer to that is no. You're going to have to re-register on the website in order for you to get STAR on the new house. Question number 3. Do mobile homes qualify for STAR? Yes, they do. As long as you meet the eligibility requirements that I went over, you should be fine. Question number 4. You've been living in a property for a very long time and you never apply for STAR. You've been a homeowner for almost 10 years. Can you apply for STAR? Yes, you can. You will get the STAR credit. You won't get the STAR exemption because the STAR exemption, I think they stopped doing that in 2015. They definitely stopped doing it. I'm not sure of the date, but it was in 2015. So you will be able to apply for the STAR credit. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it helped you out. If it did, please hit that like button. Comment, let me know what you thought. Let me know if there's something you weren't clear about that I should go over a little bit more. I'll be happy to help you out. Also, the website does have a lot of frequently asked questions as well as a lot of information, so that might help you as well. I'll include that link in the description below. Remember to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell because I'll be providing a lot of valuable information for homeowners and everything real estate, as well as some tips in finance.